Hey, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick and I'm back with another video for you guys. Today we are actually getting some goodies on the 135. Finally, I've got some Raceland Coilovers. I got some BMW Goodrich tires for the Cozes. I'm also getting a wheel bearing replaced on the rear left side. When I go about 60-70 miles an hour, there's a little bit of whining noise, so ProTech diagnosed that for me. Told me that that's the problem, so we're gonna get that taken care of as well. So here are the tires I've got. These are actually the same ones that are on the car at the moment. BMW Goodrich G-Force Rival. They're a little bit skinny. It's a 225 45-17 square set, but that's what we're working with at the moment. I really like the wheels that we've got on. These are the coilovers from Raceland. These are probably the cheapest coilovers you can get for your 135. Probably cheapest for any BMW. I've seen a lot of good reviews on these, so I think we should be good. All right, guys, that is pretty much what we're doing. Let's go ahead and head over to the alignment shop. What's up, guys? This is Nazar here, one of the custodians at ProTech Auto.
They let me do this work sometimes. You charge $100 to install a spacer. Oh my gosh. Sometimes like one piece.
Perfect.
supposed to be like this, just like that.
Yeah, that rust is toast. These shocks are pretty much toast, huh?
Yeah.
Like there's no point in even like.
You can sell them for $1 a piece.
Dang, dude. That's so bad.
Dang, bro, it looks aggressive in the front.
The back looks nice. Bro, the aggressive look though looks really good.
Bro, that's crazy.
Leave it like that.
It's gonna rub though.
That's perfect height, you know?
Dude, that's
It
actually
is
sick.
really good height.
Bro, that looks good, actually.
Yeah, the back and front look good though.
How do you feel about it?
I'm excited. I mean, I already feel like it's a little bit stiffer, but I do want to mess with the fitment a little bit more. I mean, I think a little bit of fender rolling in the front and maybe like a 5mm spacer in the back. We're gonna have to mess with it just a little more. It's also gonna sit within the next week or two. They'll sit a little lower than what you set them as. We're gonna get the alignment done right now, and in about 2 weeks, I want to see how it's gonna sit. We might have to mess with that a little more. So these are so toast.
Oh
guys, this is the before.
All that rust, dude, that's so bad.
What's the third pedal for?
Huh?
What's the third pedal for? It's like super soft. Pressing is doing that.
It's for when you're lazy, you got 2 brake pedals, you know?
Two brake pedals. Dude, it looks so good now.
It's feeling so good.
Bro, it looks good.
It's feeling very stable. I'm loving it.
That's
it's a
perfect.
lot better than those rusty shocks, bro.
I'm a bet, dude.
Yeah, it's feeling a lot better.
That's good.
For $500 coilovers, this is awesome. I mean, the
Can't beat
fitment and
it.
everything is great. I'm excited.
Perfect.
Yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that'll pretty much conclude this video. The coilovers came out great. The tires are looking good as well. I give a huge shout out to ProTech Auto for making this happen. They helped me out a ton. They got it done for me and they got it done nicely. But that'll pretty much be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Whoa, what are you doing? I'm trying to, bro. I'm trying to slow. Bro, why is this so... Go get, I got colorado to the.
Yo.
Oh!
Dang, dude.
Oh! No, I can't try
Yo.
Hey, this thing's actually cool.
Pretty cool.
It's got a Uzi on this. It's got all the grip in the world. Trying to drag race.
All the group trying to drag race.